What's going on, you guys? Chandler from EzStocks here, come back at you with another video. Today we're going to be going over some of our favorite stocks for this week. Without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into it. Our first one we're going to be looking at is ticker symbol XL, or known as XL Fleet. Basically in that EV market here. If we take a look out at that 3-month chart, you see that it's had a huge spike up at that $35 was its last breakout here. But if we zoom back into that 1-month range and come out a little bit, maybe that 2-month range, you see that it's forming this little bit of a wedge here, bringing down, consolidating into this area around $20, that $18, $19 range. So with that being said, this could be posed for a great breakout price. So what I'm considering is waiting until it comes back down one last time down that $19, $18 mark range, buying in and holding until that breakout continues to consolidate here. But if you want to be rather safe than sorry, you can just buy in and then just hold it until that consolidation finishes out and then it comes for that breakout. But let's go ahead and hop into that second stock. Alright, so our second stock we're going to be looking at is ticker symbol VZ, or Verizon, that telephone company, that cell service. Everyone knows about Verizon. What I like about Verizon here is that it's coming down to that like 1-year low point around that $52 mark. Again, if we zoom out to that 1 year, obviously we had that beer bug whole situation, which doesn't really, count in my opinion. So taking a little closer here, that 6-month range, zoom out a little bit, is approaching down towards that support line around at $52, $53. Right now it's trading at $53.98. And why I like this stock, not only does it have a lot of upside here, getting back up to that $60 range, but it's also a great long-term stock. It's got that fat dividend at around 5%, so it's just a great long-term stock. Hold it out for a while. If it rides up, you can sell it. You can also just hold it and collect that nice little dividend over time. Collect that 5% over the year. And then obviously you have it at a great price right now as well. So that's why this is on my list. Let's go ahead and head into the final stock. All right, so the last stock we're going to be looking at today is TTCF as the ticker symbol, or Tattooed Chef. Basically, it's a nice little food company here. And we're at that 1-month chart right now, and you can see it's been holding a pretty solid resistance and support line. That support line around that $23, a resistance around that $25. Right now, it's approaching that bottom at that $23, so this could just be a nice little swing trade here. Buy some call debit spreads around that $24, $24.5, $25, whatever you want to do, or you can hold it and wait for that breakout. This could be a mid to a long-term play though, because you don't know how much longer it's going to consolidate. Obviously it dipped below at that low point down to $21, but again, it bounced right back up after it got there. So it got bought right back. Again, right now it's holding down that support line, so it's a good time to buy. This is why it's my third and favorite stock play of the week. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. Let me know if you have any questions down below as well. I appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great one. Peace.